Still confused by Google Analytics? Let me show you how to read it like a pro and turn data into profits for your business. Hi, welcome back to Digitex Guider. In this video, I'll simplify Google Analytics for business owners. No jargon, just results-driven insights. What is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a free tool that helps you understand how people interact with your website, who they are, what they do, and how they got there. Key metrics to watch. Here are the core metrics every business owner should know. Users and sessions, number of visitors, and how often they come. Bounce rate, how quickly users leave without engaging. Session duration, how long users stay on your site. Pages per session, are they exploring or leaving? Traffic sources, where your visitors are coming from. Google, social media, directed site, real life use case. Let's say your bounce rate is over 70%. That's a red flag. It means your homepage might not be engaging. You can fix it by improving page speed or updating your call to action. Conversion tracking. Want to know if your marketing is working? Set up goals in analytics to track purchases, form fills, or newsletter signups. Quick tips use. Compare date ranges to spot trends. Check behavior. Cite content to see top performing pages. Monitor mobile versus desktop traffic. Is your site mobile friendly? Now you know how to read Google Analytics like a pro. Hit the like button, subscribe for more business growth tips, and comment below. Analytics mastered if this helped you.